Hello everyone, I've heard you had a few questions about the Bill of Rights, more specifically the Sixth Amendment. Well, today we'll be going over the rights protected by the Sixth Amendment and what the world would be like without them.
To begin, the Sixth Amendment is actually part of a larger document called the Bill of Rights. Consisting of 10 amendments, the Bill of Rights was created to protect and ensure the rights of the people.
During the creation of the Constitution, anti-federalists wanted a way to protect the rights of people, while federalists wanted more power to the government. With the passage of the Constitution granting more power to the government, the Bill of Rights was a compromise in which individuals' rights were protected.
That's right, each amendment on the Bill of Rights states and protects an individual right. In our case, the Sixth Amendment explicitly states in all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury of the state and district wherein the crime shall have been committed, which district shall have previously ascertained by law, and to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation, to be confronted with the witnesses against him or them, to have a compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in his favor, and to have an assistant of counsel for his defense.
That was a lot. Let's break it down. This amendment guarantees and establishes the rights of an accused person. It states how those accused of a crime have the rights to trial without any unnecessary delay, the right to lawyer, the right to impartial jury, the right to know who your accusers are, the nature of your charges, and any evidence against you. If you are accused of a crime and you are arrested, under the Sixth Amendment, you have the right to a fast public trial. You will also have the right to be judged by a jury or your peers. In this court, you will have the right to know who you're being accused of. With the hearing, it gives you the rights to see and hear what your witnesses say against you, and the right to hear what your witnesses who defend you. If you do not have the ability to obtain a lawyer, the government must help you get a lawyer.
Whoa, so when you're arrested and interrogated, the Sixth Amendment allows you to refuse to answer any questions and ask for a lawyer?
Exactly.
One large trial that solidified the rights protected by this amendment was Gideon versus Wainwright in 1963. Clarence E. Gideon was arrested for breaking and entering a Florida pool hall. He wanted to steal money, which unfortunately is considered a felony. In court, Gideon asked for a lawyer but was denied one. He then had to defend himself on his own, and he actually lost the case. He claimed that his Sixth Amendment was violated and brought it to the Supreme Court. They agreed with his claims and stated that the right to a lawyer is a fundamental right. So what would happen in a world without this amendment?
So if we didn't have the amendment, we would have no right to a lawyer, meaning the state won't provide you with a lawyer, and people with no education of their rights may not be able to protect themselves. There would also be no trial, so you may be put on jail and falsely convicted of a crime while not knowing what your crime even was. When you were thrown in jail without the Sixth Amendment, you wouldn't be able to fight for your own rights or be able to establish your innocence. People could be indefinitely under a cloud of unproven accusations.
There you have it, the importance of the Sixth Amendment and what the world would be like without it.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.